Hi, I'm Rhonda from N-Hance Wood Refinishing. Getting a quote has never been easier than with our estimate tool. Simply head to our website, click on Get Estimate, and fill out our short form. You'll receive a text from us with a link where you can give us a video of your project. Please give us as much detail as possible so that we can provide you with an accurate quote. Here is an example of a good detailed video.
Here is a brief overview of my kitchen. I have 22 cabinets with 7 drawer fronts. These are knotty alder cabinets. Throughout, there is wear and tear. The main points of concern are here along this side. These drawers are pretty damaged, as well as this cabinet. We want to do a white or two-tone, add some hardware, maybe crown molding options, as well as pullouts for deeper cabinets. And for a reference, these cabinets are 7 feet tall by 3 feet wide.
Once you upload your video, we'll review it and provide you with an estimate range. Feel free to share with us any questions or concerns you have with your kitchen. We look forward to working with you.